So we're here today to talk about upgrading your Dynamics to Dynamics 365, and we think there are a lot of very compelling reasons to consider upgrading. Certainly if you're on an older version of Dynamics, more than likely there are a number of features or functionality in the new versions that would benefit your business. Some of these are small things like positive pay functionality or improved bank reconciliation. Seemingly small, but could be very impactful to end users or how you work with partners and suppliers and things of that nature. There are also some potentially very large feature sets that you could utilize. Transportation management module being one, or the new retail capabilities added. Things that can be expanding your usage of the system into business units that aren't currently using the system today. The new Dynamics 365 version is cloud-based, and I think it's noteworthy that Microsoft has made a pretty significant push of late and is now a leader in the cloud space. I often hear from business or IT leaders is security as it relates to moving into the cloud. And in a lot of those cases, that actually ends up being one of the primary reasons for moving into the cloud, because Microsoft truly is a leader in cloud security. The upgrade to Dynamics 365 should be considered your last major upgrade. Microsoft has updated the architecture to an extensibility model, which means that upgrades will be easier, and that has allowed Microsoft to move to a monthly update cycle. So you're going to get smaller but more frequent updates. In addition to the new features and functionalities that are available, Microsoft has also developed a lot of tools that improve the experience with Dynamics 365. Things like embedded BI reports. Visual Studio is now front and center and is the primary tool for developers, which I know all developers are going to love. They've also made some advancements with Lifecycle Services and the task recording tool, which is very significant for user adoption and end user training, as well as for test automation and test script writing. Dynamics 365 is now a web client, which means no more RDP sessions to try to get into your system. So for those users that are more mobile in nature, folks like your service techs or sales personnel that are out in the field, now they can simply use their phone or their laptop without having to use those RDP sessions to get their work done. Also with the upgrade, you'll expect your system to be able to do more for you. So the new features and functionality may actually allow you to get rid of other third-party systems that you're paying for today. Support for your older Microsoft Dynamics version is coming to an end, which means that hot fixes will be tougher to come by, including security patches, and it'll be tougher just to get support from Microsoft on those older versions. The right time to upgrade will depend on your specific scenario, which version you're on, and what your needs are. So we'd love to sit down with you and work through all the details of what is right for you as it relates to an upgrade to Dynamics 365. Contact us for your personalized upgrade assessment to evaluate why you may want to upgrade, when you may want to upgrade, and what the associated work effort to upgrade will be for you.